Hi, welcome to Easy Blender channel. Today we want to make wood texture. Okay, select the object and go to Shading tab. Click on New Material. Select the rendered viewport shading. Go to Edit and click on Preferences and search for Node Wrangler. Make sure this is checked. Close the tab. Press Shift A and search for ColorRamp. Connect the color to base color. Add a noise texture. Connect the color to factor. Click on the noise texture and press Ctrl T. You can see that these two nodes are added automatically. Now click on ColorRamp node and set two colors between dark brown and light brown. Increase the roughness to maximum. Click on Noise Texture and set the scale to 0.4. And from Scale in Mapping node, increase the X number. Add a Bump node. Connect the normal to normal. Now add a Multiply node. Connect the value to height. Connect the factor to value in multiply. Now increase this number. Increase the roughness in noise texture. You must play with these numbers until you get a good result. And here's the final result. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in next videos.